How to use coupons on SHEIN app. Let's get started. Launch your SHEIN app. You'll be directed to the shop page. Now here you're gonna find different items. First up, you'll need to make a purchase. So head towards any of the item that you wanna order. So I'm gonna select few of the items. Once you are done selecting the items, now what you have to do is head towards the cart section. For that, click on the cart icon given at the top right corner. Once you're in this page, here you're gonna find the list of the items that you have added to the cart to purchase. Now click on checkout. You'll be directed to order confirmation page. First up, provide your shipping address, then select your shipping method. Scrolling down, you'll find the section of payment method. Select it, then you'll find the section of apply coupon. Click on that. In this page, you're gonna find the list of the coupons that are available for the use. Or also what you can do is type in the coupon code over here manually and then click on apply. With that, the coupon code will be applied for this purchase and you'll get certain amount as a discount. So this way you can easily use coupons on SHEIN. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.